we are in the agent breaker track, and today we look at MCP Chat Poisoning. So MCP servers are more and more common to be integrated into AI agents. And what MCP servers basically do is they can transform the model output into an API call, for example, or into a tool call and things like this. And in this particular example, we have a weather forecast tool, which basically goes out and will probably hit an API endpoint somewhere and is asking for weather forecast, right? So that's like a weather MCP, and that MCP server can have an embedded prompt injection. So if you, the learning lesson here really is like, if you use MCP servers from, say, GitHub, it's always wise to check the code first, that it doesn't have a prompt injection, it does anything malicious, and be particularly careful with remote MCPs where you don't see the code, whether they can be trusted, right? Because this attack scenario here will show you exactly what can go wrong. So let's start our attack. So this is the MCP server code, right, which is running on the MCP site, and you can see here we have a tool, and the tool is basically called get weather forecast, right? Then you have an input schema for it, and there is like the days, like minimum day, 1 day or 14-day forecast and stuff like that. And there's always the description with it, like the unit for temperature, like do you want this in metric, imperial, or Kelvin, and basically like hourly, like include an hourly breakdown and additional notes.